guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Anywhere Anytime YouTube channel. If you see me here, no, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Guys, we are road to 2,000 subscribers. If you have not joined this family, please, you are missing a lot. Better join this family. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Put the notification bell on so that every time we upload a video, you are going to be notified, guys. Today I don't want to talk very many things anyway, because you know, here it's a home for good vibes. Here is home for designer clothes. Here is home for pranks and everything good. Anyway, guys, today we have another interesting video, guys. Tuliwaambia ni video after video after video after video. Guys, today we have another interesting video, and the video we have today is we unpacking our garment steamer. Guys, we had another garment steamer, but it got spoiled, so we had to have another one. So guys, please stay here. Let's watch the video to the end, because we are going to unpack this garment steamer with you guys. This garment steamer we are going to unpack with you guys. So you have just to stay tuned, like the video, share the video, because you are about to see very many good vibes. Guys, we love you so much. Thank you so much for always checking on us. So guys, let's get into the video. Let's unpack this together, guys. Let's unpack this together. Ata sisi, we are not used to this. The one that we were using, you'll see it, guys, it was fixed by someone else, so it's not us who fixed. So this one we are doing with you guys, so please just come with us. The Lord. Best product, quality, satisfaction is nice. Capacity of water. Nataka kuona mahali ni taa. Guys, we are doing this thing together. It's all sealed. I don't know whether they can see. It's all, I don't know whether they can see. It's all sealed. It's all sealed. So we are doing we are doing it with them. We are doing this unpacking with them. Wow, you should see how they have done their package. The package is nice, really. It's so nice, isn't it? Look at, they have a manual here. Wow. This is how the manual looks like. Guys, we are doing this together. We are unpacking this together. So tukiconnect itakuwa hivi, isn't it? So we'll read this manual just in case. They have warrant also.
How many years?
Happiness guaranteed. Best product. Still need 5 years. So this is how it is, eh? Wow. I'm already in love. Are you in love?
I'm in love.
You are in love, eh? Let me get another still so that I might see another still. Put some so hii ndio hii. Tuweka hapa hii. So the whole thing is garment steamer. But we are just having the review and set it up with our guys. So he isn't it? We'll see. Alright. We have have they seen it? This is it, guys. We are doing it live. This is raw and unedited, guys. Wow. The color is beautiful.
Sana. The color for me.
The color for you.
Yeah. Hata mna match black and white.
What's not a look?
Black and white.
But if people have not seen my look. This is my look, guys. This is my look.
Hey.
This is my look. See my shoes.
Hey.
Guys, you can get these shoes at Pretty Fashion. Hey, they're so cute.
Where?
I know you love them, right?
Yes.
At Pretty Fashion. And we have this color and brown. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. Very comfortable and very smart. That's my look today. JD. Anyway, guys, we were here. We are doing this with you guys. So hii ndio hii, sina JD. Ndio tutaweza kuifix vizuri. Ndio hii, si ndio? Sijui vile inaitangwa. So tutaiweka wapi?
Weka tu chini.
Tuiweke chini? Sikatachafuka haki.
Tachafuka tu.
Itachafuka tu anyway with time. So hizo mbili tumetoa. Haya, we got this.
Sijui. Hiyo ni kichana ama nini? Ya kuchana kanguo. Na haiharibu.
Like this. People seen it very well. Maybe guys they can help us. Is this one for brushing the clothes like this? Or is for what? But here ionyeshi.
Maybe iko kando tu.
Iko kando. Anyway, hiyo tumetoa. Kasi come and see how the package is inside. It's continuous. It's cute, yeah? It's so cute. Oh, it's just so cute. But at least they have their manual.
Utanisha tu.
So we continue, guys.
Guys,
if you are watching us up to this time, we appreciate you. We don't take it for granted. We said, guys, we are doing this thing with you. Hey, huku namna what? We have this.
For what?
I think tutaona ni nini. Once you'll be fixing it. I don't know. Ingetoka wapi? I don't know whether I'm unpacking it very well. Jerry, I don't know whether I'm doing justice to it. This is how it is.
Mari utoanishe vizuri.
Sasa hii and we will not use this one anyway. So it's okay, we'll have to. Guys, this is unedited. So guys, this is it finally. Oh. There's another one here.
Oh, understand.
Wacha tutaiona kwa manual. Then finally the real thing. The real thing. Hey, now the color is good. Finally our new garment steamer is here, guys. Finally our new garment steamer is here. Finally, guys. Finally. Stop it. Stop. Guys, we have already unpacked it. Hey, there's something here. Oh, ini ya kuvaa ukifanya. Hey, my goodness. So, ukistimu
unatumia hiyo si mkono kaf.
Si mkono kaf. Wow. So guys, we have unpacked our garment steamer just so show them everything that was there, but we are fixing it with them. I want to fix this one with them, guys. So this was everything. So guys, we want to fix it, and this was its manual. So that's everything. That was everything about it. Guys, thank you so much for watching up to this time. We appreciate you. By the way, they have showed us here. They have showed us now all the old things they are here. High quality, adjustable, telescopic, pause for easy storage. We have 2 steam levels for various textiles. The whole thing here. Yes, we have water tank in here, 2 liters, steam rate, what. But everything is here. Si unaona kila kitu yote yenye wameandika hapa iko hapa, sababu hii ni hii ka brush na hii ya mkono, hii ni hii tank, then kuna hii, so everything is there. It's also good to confirm whether everything they have written is there. So we have all confirmed everything is there. I think wamesema if you want them, if you want to buy yours, you can get them on Facebook. You can follow them on Twitter, and they're also in YouTube. I think it's a big company. All these are from Dubai. The old garment steamer, it's imported from Dubai. It's all from Dubai. If you like it, I think they have given the details here. So preheat Jerry mpaka tutaangalia time tuki-eat. Oh, wameandika the warrant. They have a warrant for 2 years. It's so good to confirm this. They have a warrant for 2 years. Yeah. all the way from Dubai, guys. So if you are interested, the details are here. Anyway, guys, let's now fix it together and see whether it's working. We are doing it together, guys. If you are watching up to this time, we love you, we appreciate you. Thank you so much we are plugging you with the best. I've told you, imported from all the way from Dubai. I've given you the details. If you are interested, let's see whether it works, guys. And there is warrant also. So guys, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. So make create a room.
Ungefix kwanza. Unataka kuifixia tu hapo?
Oh, fix hapa kwanza. Okay. Then tuweke maji. Anyway, let's see how we fix it. I don't know. Is it written here? Or to fix it na hapa chini? Let's sit here. I don't know. So guys, sasa kazi iko hapa. Oh, inaitwa hii inaitwa iron brush.
Oh, ukinini.
Wanaandika hapa iron brush. Iron brush. Hii ni iron brush. Hii ni iron. Wameandika everything here na kazi yake. So this is iron brush. Kuna hanger. Oh, hii number B. Hii ndio hanger. B ni hanger. C ni hook over hanger. Oh, hapa. Aluminium tube. D. Oh, this. Then connection on steam. Water tank. On and off. Okay, I think we'll see everything here. Product installation. Let's see. Product installation. Oh, the glove. So everything. Ndio hii wameandika hapa. So it will be so easy for us to use, and others are here. So product installation. So let's see now. I think this is now what we want. Product installation. A sample support pole. So it's this one. Then unaambiwa was a sample support pole. Take out the machine and support pole. Take out the support pole. Insert the support pole in the hole on the machine body until it reaches the bottom. Is that this one? Is that this one really?
I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe I think so. This.
Ungeangalia kwa nini? Kwa hiyo manual hiyo. Sema hii. Tuangalie yenye inaitwa. Inaitwa
guys, this thing, I think he it's to one. Mpaka to fix it, what to one. Whether it's working. Hii ni wapi? Hii ingine hapa, kini hapa. Napaswa kuinsert mpaka ifike bottom. Hivyo ndio nimeona wameandika.
Unaifiki? Hata ungechukua hiyo ingine, tuangalie na hiyo ingine venye imewekwa.
Kuna vile nimeambiwa wamewekelea This is what we were using initially and it broke. This is what we were using initially. It was like this. It broke. This is initially what we were using. Then ikaacha kuleta moto.
Oh, hii iko na stand mbili.
Kani?
It has two hizo.
Oh, hii ni mbili. Hii iko na moja.
But
this how it was. I think ni same but hii iko na stand moja, hii iko na mbili. Guys, tumeileta tu hivi ndio tuweze kuona kama we will be able just to help us fix this. I don't know. Hii ni sawa, I think.
Inatingika wai. Imefika mwisho kweli?
Guys,
msema ifike bottom. Imefika?
Guys, hii iko hivi. Na hii hii ni ka brush. Let me see whether we can use everything.
Kuna kitu ingine? Ni hizo tu?
Yeah, hii ni ya mkono. No, this one is for wear. Guys, hii una fix wapi man? Hii una fix wapi?
Kwa manyo wamesema aje?
Sasa unaona hata hii haina. Hii iko sawa. I think hii I fixed it right. Sindio? This is fine. Sindio? Ni fine kwa hapa ni. Hii ni ka brush. Now this. Kabla see whether iko sawa. Kwa sababu hii hapa iko sawa, sindio?
Ndio nini?
Iko sawa. Unaiweka wapi? Unaweza hii unaifix hapa. But sasa hii yangu iko strong.
Yako iko strong.
So shida sasa iko wapi? Bado kinatulamba tu hapa, kinatulamba. So, hebu tuone hii manual inasema nini. Oh, by the way, we have made it to kuiweka mpaka ndani vile wamesema. Ndio. Ilikuwa take out the machine and take the support, insert the support pole into the all of the machine and it reaches at the bottom. Ndio hii. It's to may fix, ndio. Then insert the hook into the hanger, insert the hanger into the top of. So ni hii njeri, let's see. I go strong. So I think tunafungua hivi. And I think, oh wow, so it can go to the height you want. My goodness, it's big. Wow. So unaweza peleka height yenyewe
unataka. Ile nguo refu yenye ilikuja kwanza, eka height yote.
Hiyo ndio yote.
Tutaanza naye.
I think iko sawa, iko chini. So to fix that height, because our dresses are too long, so we have to fix. I don't know. Is it wow. We made it, guys. We made it. But jeri yake iko juu. Tunapata space ya kuweka ikiwa juu hivi.
Si kwanza tutaistimia wapi? Tunaweza istimia pale kwanza. Kuitest. Alafu tukisha steam hizo refu turudishe.
So what else? Nini ingine tulikuwa tunaifix?
Sasa ni kusteam tu.
Hebu tuone hiyo tumeinsert. Please release the clip on the support pole and tunafanya take out the iron brush. Align the plug of iron brush with and insert it into corresponding on the machine body and tighten it clockwise. After finish use, pull out on the iron box. Wah! Kizungu sija mdomo kwangu Jeri hebu kama usome. Hii kizungu si mdomo changu. Sasa now we are assembling the iron brush, this brush. Sasa maswali kwa tunaambiwa aje? Take out the iron brush, ndio hii, si ndio? Align the plank on the iron brush with and insert it into corresponding hole on machine body. Which hole? I think we have fixed it, lakini hii imetulamba. Brush hatujui mahali tuna fix. Jeri ingine wanasema assemble brush with pants line clip. Take out the brush with pants line clip. Fix it to the end of iron brush. Mani huku.
Kwani kama hivi.
Guys, at the comment section, let us know how we can use this. Please, let us know how we can use this. We don't know. Anyway, I now open water inlet value of the water tank. Put the water in it and put back the water tank into the machine. So, okay, hii hatujafungua. Na vile tunataka kazi ianze saa hii, si kesho. Guys, at the comment section, where do we fix this? Kifungu si mdomo chetu. So hii ndio. So nimeona even this one, Jerry, we don't know how to fix it. Or this is for where? Jerry, this one we haven't known how to use it. Guys, even this one, kindly let us know in the comment section how we can use this. We'll be so happy to hear from you. So the last one wamesema Jerry. Na hii inatoka. You are not fixing it very well. Oh, wow. So hii iko open. Iko open. That's why inatoka. So mpaka ifunge. So nimeona ya mwisho wamesema tutatoa hii, we put some water, then we come and fix it again. So open the water inlet valve, water tank. This is the water tank. Put the water in it, tuweke maji, and put back the water tank in the machine. So guys, nitaenda niweke maji, tunaiwekanga na hapa. Niweke maji, then we come and fix it and
we fix it.
Yeah, tutafix hivi.
Oh.
We come and fix it back, then tuweke kwa steamer, then we test this. Guys, we are doing this thing here, everything you see. So guys, stay tuned. What is that? Niende niweke maji. Guys, tumeweka maji, so we are fixing this water here. Sivyo ndo wamesema? Lakini sitamwagika guys. How do I do it? Like that, eh? I think it goes out. Guys, we managed to fix. I don't know whether we have fixed it so well. I don't know. Guys, tell us how to fix this brush, and I don't know how to use it. Now, we don't know how to use this one, guys. I don't know. Guys, saidieni kujua how to use this. So, guys, tupatane now on the set. Guys, tupatane now as we now use it. So let's meet, guys. Uko sawa? Uko sawa? Oh, wow. 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 We didn't see this. Easy, it's go on, Mama, go off.
Cut.
Iko on sasa. Wow, it's working guys, it's working. Si ndio? Mpaka inatoa hii. I think we are good to go. Eh? It's working guys. Wow. So this is how we do it. It's like a hanger. Macho wake. Wow. So ilikuwa creased, iko creased, si ndio? So let's see that it works. Guys, this brush is working, Jerry.
Imebaki
hizo mpya.
Although hiyo yellow hakuwa na hata moja.
Ya yellow ilikuwa imeisha. Sasa we got another new stock of 6 pieces. Ni 6 ama 5?
Usiadu majina. Quantity.
Maybe the code was different. Wacha andike.
Oh, labda ndio iliwekwa kwa machine.
It's working. Mario. It's working, guys. Then off. Is it off? Hata sauti